Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Venmo how to dispute a charge. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in help.venmo.com. And once you do that, you'll be sent to the Venmo Help Center. Now in order to dispute a charge, what you need to do is simply tap on payments and transfers. And once you do that, tap on payments. And once you do that, here tap on any of the options, and then once you do that, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on submit a request. And once you do that, you'll be sent to the contact us, and where you find this form, all you gotta do is fill it up with the relating information, and on this tell us what's up. What you need to do is briefly explain about the problem that you are having, and once you do that, if possible, attach a screenshot as well. And once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on submit, and after a couple of business days, the Venmo support team will reach out to you and then fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.